Let's make the Jungle Beast. To make this drink, I'm going to start by crushing some ice. I'll be right back with you. Ice crushed. I guess I better hide the weapon. I'm going to fill the glass halfway with the crushed ice. That's about halfway. Now I'm going to start adding my ingredients. First, the Kraken Black Spiced Rum. New bottle. Gnome, in case you're worried about it. 1.5 ounces, which is 45 milliliters. Next, 1.5 ounces of pineapple juice. 1.5 ounces, 45 milliliters. 3/4 of an ounce of Italian bitter liqueur, and I'm using Campari. Use the Italian bitter liqueur of your choice. 3/4 of an ounce is 22.5 milliliters. 1/2 ounce of lime juice. 1/2 ounce is 15 milliliters. And finally, 1/2 ounce of simple syrup, and this is a 1-to-1 simple syrup. 1/2 ounce, 15 milliliters. Note that I put all that right in the glass. That's what the recipe specifies. I personally think it should have been shaken, but that's me. Moving on, I'm going to top this off with crushed ice and garnish. Garnish is pineapple leaves and a chunk of pineapple. Unfortunately, I used all my pineapple to make juice. I didn't save any chunks, so you're not going to get any chunks today. If you really want to see what chunks in a tiki glass look like for this drink, go to their website. Can I get that in there? Oh. And finally, a straw. And there you have it, the Jungle Beast from Kraken Rum. Drink with good spirits.